Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Achieve English podcast channel. I'm so happy you're here with me today. If you want to understand English faster and speak with more confidence, you're in the right place. Today, we have something special. I will show you a simple but powerful tip that can help you improve your English listening like never before. Yes, really. It's easy, fast, and you can try it today. Do you sometimes feel lost when native speakers talk fast? Or maybe you understand English words, but when they speak quickly, it feels like a storm in your ears? Don't worry, you're not alone, and today's tip will change that. All right, let's dive in and unlock your English listening power. Let's begin with one important truth. If you want to get better at English listening, you don't need to listen more. You need to listen better. Yes, it's not about more hours. It's about smart practice. Here's the truth. Many people listen to English for hours, music, podcasts, YouTube, but they still don't understand. Why? Because they don't know what to focus on. So here is today's special tip, shadow listening. Have you heard this term before? It's simple but very powerful. Let me explain. Shadow listening means you listen to a short sentence in English and then repeat it at the same time, like a shadow. You copy the rhythm, the tone, and even the small pauses. For example, if the speaker says, "I don't know what you mean," you say it again immediately after or even with the speaker. "I don't know what you mean." The goal is not just to repeat words. The goal is to copy the music of the sentence, the sound, the flow, the emotion. Why is this powerful? Because native speakers don't speak word by word. They connect words. They drop sounds. Shadowing helps your ears hear those patterns, and your mouth learns to move the same way. But maybe you're thinking, that sounds hard. Or, what if I can't repeat fast enough? Don't worry. Start small. You don't need to shadow the full sentence at first. Just one phrase is okay. For example, "I don't know." Repeat that until it feels natural. Then add more. "I don't know what." Then, "I don't know what you mean." Start slow, repeat many times, and soon it becomes easier. Just like riding a bicycle, you fall a little at first, but then you go fast. Also, choose material that's not too hard. Use short podcast clips or simple videos, cartoons, movie scenes, or even English subtitles from YouTube. Now, here's a trick. Listen first without speaking. Yes, just listen 2 to 3 times. Then pause the clip. Repeat it yourself. Then try to shadow. Speak along with the audio. If you can, record your voice. Listen again. Compare. Does your voice match the speaker? Is your tone similar? This is real listening power. Let me give you a real example. Let's say you're watching a short video and someone says, "Hey, what are you doing here?" Try it now. First, listen. Then pause and say it. Then try to say it with the speaker. What's happening in your brain? You are training your ears to catch fast English. You are training your mouth to speak naturally. You are training your brain to match sounds and meaning. This is deep learning, and it works. Now, here's another tip to boost your shadow listening. Use earphones. Why? Because you can hear the small details better, the small sounds, the music of English. Also, choose a voice you like, male or female, fast or slow, American, British, Australian. It doesn't matter. The important thing is, do you enjoy listening to this voice? Because when you enjoy it, your brain pays more attention. And here's something interesting.
Even if you don't understand every word, your brain still learns the patterns. That's why babies learn to speak by listening, not by learning grammar rules.
Shadowing is like becoming a baby again, but smarter. You copy, repeat, and your brain slowly builds the connections. It's not magic, it's science. And you can do it anywhere. On the bus, while walking, at home, even while cooking. Turn on a short audio, shadow for 5 minutes. Done. That's real practice. Remember, quality is more important than quantity. 5 minutes of focus shadowing is better than 1 hour of passive listening. Let's review the key steps again. 1. Pick a short, simple English audio. 2. Listen 2-3 times with focus. 3. Repeat slowly after the speaker. 4. Try shadowing. Speak with the speaker. 5. Record your voice if possible. 6. Enjoy the process. If you follow this for 1 week, just 5 minutes a day, you will feel a big difference. Your ears will open up, your mouth will speak faster, and your confidence will grow. Yes, you can do it. Take it step by step. It's okay to make mistakes. Just keep practicing. The best part? You don't need expensive courses, you don't need a teacher, you just need your phone, your earphones, and your voice. Shadow listening is free, it's simple, and it works. So, are you ready to try it today? Now, let's talk about another important idea to help your English listening, active listening. What is active listening? It means you don't just hear sounds, you try to understand, think, and connect with what you listen to. Many learners listen to English like background noise, music or TV on in the room, but they don't focus. This is called passive listening. It helps a little, but not much. Active listening is different. When you listen actively, you focus 100% on the words, the meaning, and the emotions. You try to imagine the story. You ask yourself, what is the speaker really saying? Why? How? How can you practice active listening? Here are simple steps. First, choose a short audio or video, about 1 to 2 minutes. Listen once with your full attention. Try to understand the main idea. Don't worry about every word. After that, listen again. This time, write down new words or phrases you hear. Look up their meanings later. Then, listen one more time, now with your new understanding. Try to repeat or summarize what you heard, either out loud or in your mind. This is active listening. It helps your brain work hard to understand. It trains you to focus. It builds your vocabulary, and it makes you ready to hear English faster next time. Also, don't be afraid to rewind or slow down the audio if you use apps or websites that allow it. Slowing down helps you catch details you miss when it's too fast. When you slow down, your brain gets a chance to catch the sounds and connect them with meaning. After a while, try to listen at normal speed again. You'll be surprised how much easier it becomes. Another tip, try to listen every day. Even just 10 minutes is enough. Consistency is the secret. Small, daily steps make a big difference in the long run. And now, let's talk about something fun, learning English with songs and movies. Yes, many people love songs and movies, and these are great tools for learning listening skills. Songs help you hear natural rhythm and stress. Try to listen carefully and sing along. It's okay if you don't get every word. Focus on the chorus or a favorite part first. Repeat it several times. You'll learn new words and phrases without feeling bored. Movies and TV shows are like stories you can watch and listen to at the same time. Start with simple shows or cartoons. Use subtitles in English if you need help. Watch a scene once without subtitles. Try to understand. Then watch it again with subtitles. Try to repeat some lines out loud. The more you enjoy what you listen to, the easier it is to learn. When you love a song or a movie, your brain works harder to understand it. So, pick topics or stories that interest you. Now, let's talk about one more important point. Don't be afraid to make mistakes when you listen or speak. Many learners feel shy or nervous. They think, what if I don't understand? Or what if I sound funny? But here's a secret. Mistakes are good. They help you learn faster. Every mistake is a step forward. Try to listen without fear. If you don't understand something, it's okay. Keep trying. Ask questions if you can. Use a dictionary or translator. Try again later. The more you practice, the more confident you become. And confidence helps you listen and speak better. Finally, remember this. English listening is a skill. Like playing a sport or playing an instrument, it needs practice and patience. Be kind to yourself. Celebrate small wins and keep going. I hope these tips help you feel excited to practice English listening every day. Use shadow listening, active listening, songs, movies, and don't fear mistakes. Your English will improve faster than you think. Are you ready to put these tips into action? Remember, practice a little bit every day and enjoy the journey. So, let's quickly review what we learned today. We talked about a very powerful tip, shadow listening, where you listen and repeat at the same time to catch the real sound and rhythm of English. We learned how active listening helps you focus and understand better. We also talked about using songs and movies to enjoy learning and catch natural English. And most importantly, we reminded you not to be afraid of mistakes. They help you grow. Remember, learning English listening takes time and patience. Practice a little every day and you will see progress soon. Thank you so much for listening to the Achieve English podcast channel today. If you enjoyed this episode, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below, and practice what you've just learned. Keep going, stay positive, and I believe you will succeed. See you in the next episode. Take care and happy learning.